thank goodness I was wearing a glove. Yuck. So disgusting. My shoes.
Rub it in.
Little patch.
Bye! What a wonderful beard!
Ireland played rugby against Wales this weekend, and we just met some people on the bus.
You guys want to say a message to everyone back to South Africa? Alright, South Africa! You were lucky to beat us in the World Cup!
Is it? Is it?
Thanks for CJ, we appreciate him. And sent them homeward.
We had an interesting week. Tom and James applied to be in Vikings, an extra, not a main role.
This is my application to be an extra on Vikings.
Why were you licking James's envelope?
Why were you licking my envelope?
I put everything
Look how
in.
messy that looked. Look at
Sarah licked James's envelope and got a paper cut in her tongue.
Ow, it's really sore.
Here we go. But we kind of used this week to just explore a bit and have a bit of fun. So we took a day tour down from Dublin to a place called Wicklow. Going on the Wicklow mountain tour. We're going to stop at, I'm not too sure, I'm not going to be able to pronounce any of these things except the PS I Love You location.
With your ring of a dude of a die. Whack for me daddy-o, whack for me daddy-o, there's whiskey in the jar. And you never heard of that whiskey in the jar? No, thank you very much.
What's going on here, you guys?
We are at the PS I Love You bridge. Over there.
It's right there. So right down there is where they filmed some Vikings, a lot of the Braveheart scenes, and the famous scene from Excalibur where the sword comes out of the water.
So we're out in the woods.
Woohoo. Sarah, watch out for the poo. Sarah, don't stand in the poo. Cheers. Okay, so behind me right down there is the St. James Gate to the Guinness Brewery. I tried to get in, didn't get very far because I needed to pay, but one day.